In this video, I'm gonna cover fraction, decimal, percentage. How can you go from percentage to decimal, decimal to fraction, fraction to percentage, percentage to decimal, decimal to fraction. Let's say you have 72 out of 100. 72 out of 100. Make that fraction, make that for decimal, and make that for percentage. So as a fraction, 72 over 100. This is the type of the fraction. So you have 72 out of that 100. So the 72 goes numerator, 100 goes denominator. So now you have the fraction. What about the decimal? You have 1 0 here, 2 0 here. Your decimal point here. You come into here, that's 1. You come into here, that's 2. So you are here, 1, 2. So you have what? 0.72, right? That gives you your decimal. 2 0, you move into to the left, from right to left. 1, 2. So it becomes 0.72. This gives you your decimal. What about percentage? Percentage is just a sample right there. This is the percentage. Or you can do, you can multiply 100 here. 0.72 times 100. And then you give in the sample of percentage. Right? So this is the fraction, this is the decimal, and this is the percentage. Okay, let's say you have 0.3 percentage. Change this as a fraction. Anytime you have percentage, you divide 100, right? So 0.3 divided the 100. This is the 100, right? So if you divide 100, this is the fraction way, but your answer will become 0.003. This is also your decimal. Your fraction is this part. Fraction is this part, right? This was percentage. Now it's fraction. Now it's what? Decimal. Like I told you earlier on, your decimal point here. So 1, 2 unit. So you are here. You go to the left. 1, 2, right? So point will be here, 0 here, another 0 here, and 3. This is how it becomes, right? Let's say you have 0.47. This is what? Decimal. Change this fraction. You divide in 100. 47 divided 100, right? To change the percentage, 0.47 times 100 gives you 47 with the sample of 100. This is how you can move back and forth, change into the fraction, decimal, and percentage for a 6th grade.